yan. Hindi na kayo makakababa dyan. Oh no.
Hey, here. Look at me.
Oh, don't look at this. Yan. Slow.
Don't step on me!
Anong nangyari? Hindi makaakyat si Clarita, oh. Si Sian, oh. One step.
You got $100! Oh my God!
Yan. Sapatos pa nitong parang homeless dito.
Claire, you're okay. Go.
Go to the other side, Claire. Go to the
Ano si kawawa naman itong si ano siya.
Go, Kim. Kim.
Claire, you can do it. Just move on.
Yes.
Go.
Going down.
Oh, look at Mia. Good job, Mia.
Go, Kim. Pull up. Pull up, Kim.
Okay, go, Claire. Go, Kimmy.
Pull up, Kim.
You can do it. Mia and Jimmy, oh. See?
I'll try again.
Okay. Try it. Oh.
Pull up. Pull up. Up.
Sige, up.
Yeah. Go up.
Go up. Sige. Don't look at me. Don't look with us.
Go up. Mahirap pa ng sapato.
Oh, go.
There you go.
Go, Mia.
Good job.
Up, Kim. Up.
Okay. Sige, you go. You can do it.
Tapos na.
Mabawi na kayo ha, si Chanel hindi pa. Hindi pa
Good job, Mia.
punta
Go,
sa
Mia.
Sa taas. Hindi pa nag-beldo. Hindi pa siya nag-bell.
There you go.
It's okay. She could try.
Shan, slow down.
Shan.
That's the problem. You're not slowing down. Okay, you can do it.
This is funny!
Another.
Seryoso na naman.
Napagod kasi siya.
Dapat may guantes pala eh.
Go! It's too hot!
Okay, almost.
I can't do it.
Shami, ano?
I can't do it. The rocks are too hot.
Okay, continue.
Can I go on the other side?
Yan.
Move your feet.
Good, Mia. You can.
Up.
You can do it. Go, Mia.
Okay, one more. Pull up.
3 more.
Claire, move your feet. There you go.
Okay, good job,
Good job,
Kim.
You're done. Come on, sit down.
Okay, go, Claire. Go, Mia.
Good job, Kim. You want one more?
Keep going. 2 more. No.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, okay,
You
almost.
did it. Woohoo!
Give me 2 more and then that's it. Yeah. There you go.
Go, Claire. One more up.
Good job.
Good job, guys. Good job, Claire and Mia.
Okay, you go down and let's go home.
Let go, Claire. Just
Okay,
let go.
just let go and then kick the
Let go,
wall.
Claire.
Go and then kick the wall.
Kick the wall. Kick the wall.
Can I
Kick
go
the
again,
wall.
Mommy? Can I go again?
Yeah,
I don't
sure.
want to go again. I can have another one.
You have to pay
Good
$5.
job,
Can I
Claire.
please go again?
Yeah, sure.
I can't grab onto anything. No, this one's gone.
Do the other side then.
I told you to own this side.
Sean, yeah, Dad's gonna own it. Sorry, Kim, I have to use yours.
Oh, lamang-lamang na si Mike. Naku, nahirap si Kim. Grabe.
Go, Kimmy, go! Beat Daddy.
Okay, unahan mo daddy mo.
Ang bilis ni Mike. Naku, yung mga bata nasa huli.
Ay, Sean.
Dad.
Yeah. whining.
Only mommy. He's only afraid of mommy. Not of anything. Right, Dad?
You're my grabbing point.
You're my grabbing point.
Don't smile. I'm gonna do it in the shade. I can't move. I can't move either.
Okay, the three of you are stuck.
Oh, we're stuck. I can't choose anything else.
You can go more towards your
Jump
left.
down.
Go to your left, Kim.
If you go to your left, you'll go more. It'll be easier for you.
Yeah. Okay. Beat
Yeah.
Daddy, Kimmy.
He gave you already a tip. Come on.
Go, Kim. Hurry up. Go to your left, he said.
Beat Daddy, Ate. Beat Daddy. Sorry, no offense, Daddy.
No offense, Dad. Oh, Kimmy, hurry up. Daddy's beating you.
I can't. Sean is right there.
Ano nandyan din si Sean sa ano niya? This is a big
Kick.
kick.
Oh, don't step on Sean's hands, okay?
Sean, no, no.
Then go to the other side, Kim. If Sean...
There's nothing there.
Okay, go.
Daddy's leg is shaking.
Other Sean is on the other side now.
It's shaking. See, Daddy's shaking like I was. He's stuck.
He's stuck too. Go, Kimmy, beat Daddy. Hurry up.
Ready?
Go, Kimmy, go. Go, go, go. Go, Kimmy. Go. Yeah, you beat Daddy.
Ay,
Good job.
punta na naman yung isa.
Oh, Daddy's stuck.
Johnny!
Okay, go, Sean. Good job, Kim.
Sean! You wanna beat Dad?
Okay, Daddy, you're there.
Okay, let's do it again.
Come on, Daddy. Yay! Good job.
Johnny, just go where
Okay, Kimmy beat Daddy. Ha?
Grab that. Grab that.
Got stuck in the middle.
Grab it.
There's Tito Jojo.
Pull it to the right.
Go, Tito Joe. Pull. Up. There you go. Pag matagal lalo, mahirapan ka.
We believe in you.
Go, Kim.
Look at little mom.
Go, Tito Jojo. Go, Shani.
My John, right under you. It's like you're shaking. Post the shake. Sean,
Just relax, Sean.
relax, calm your muscles.
Calm down your muscles.
Grab. I need a jump.
Good job, Kimmy.
Good job.
Super spy mission, dude. You're the super
Good
spy
job,
mission,
Kim.
dude.
Let go. Let
You're
go.
going on
Push.
the
Let go.
tower.
And then push. There you go. That's how you do it. When you go down, just push. Just
I'll build your
Simon, you
oh, there's
Good job, Joe.
Other bell.
That's fine. Whatever, Joe.
it's almost there. Yeah, good